Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play LEGO Marvel Superheroes. To begin your heroic journey, mastering the basic controls is essential. Use the left analog stick to move your chosen hero through the vibrant LEGO world. Press the A button to jump or double tap it for a higher leap. The X button lets you attack foes and smash destructible objects, while the B button is for interacting with puzzles and activating mechanisms. These fundamental actions will guide you through countless adventures. A core part of the game is utilizing each hero's unique powers. With over 150 playable characters, you'll find a vast array of abilities. To switch between your active heroes, simply press and hold the Y button on your Xbox controller to open the character selection grid. This allows you to strategically choose the right hero for any challenge, whether it's Iron Man's flight or Spider-Man's web slinging. Remember, some characters also transform by holding Y. Beyond the main story, a massive open-world Manhattan awaits your exploration. You can freely roam the city, discovering numerous side missions, exciting races, and other activities. To access story missions, head to the SHIELD helicarrier or simply open your in-game map. After completing a level in story mode, you unlock Free Play, allowing you to replay it with any of your unlocked characters, which is crucial for finding hidden secrets. Collecting is a huge part of the fun. Smash almost everything to gather shiny LEGO studs, which are the game's currency. You'll also find gold bricks, character tokens, and special red bricks. Red bricks unlock valuable cheats, such as stud multipliers like ×2, ×4, or even ×8, which can cost millions of studs. Use your collected studs and character tokens to unlock new heroes and vehicles, expanding your roster for even more adventures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.